Hey everyone, it's Lissette here. In this video, I wanted to make some glitter gels. I brought this set of Martha Stewart iridescent, pastel, and superfine glitter sets from Michaels. Sometimes they have coupons, so you could get these for really cheap. I also bought these double wall 7-gram containers. They black out any UV and LED lights, so it's perfect for storing any of your gel mixes in. I'm also going to be using the IBD Clear Builder Gel. Everything that I bought, I'm going to link below. The glitter sets had a lot to choose from, so I only picked a couple just to make this video short. I ended up picking this color called Jelly Bean. It has like a iridescent sparkle to it. It's super pretty. It's like a coral color. It was hard to get my camera to focus to show you the true color, but I ended up just swatching all of the glitter mixes and then curing it for 60 seconds. This next color is called Grapeade. It has a holographic purple pink color to it. It's really pretty. This next color is also a holographic one, and it's called Winter Mint. It's like a greenish blue color, and once again, this camera is not doing it justice. Let's go. This next glitter is called Tanzanite. It's a purple iridescent glitter, but it also has slightly blue flakes inside. I wanted to mix two colors together, so I ended up picking up this dark blue called Azurite, and then I picked up a gold called Smoky Quartz. After I mixed those two together, I wasn't really liking how it looked, so I ended up picking up more of a yellow gold called Florentine Gold and adding that, and then I was a little more satisfied with the color. The next color I decided to pick up was Granite, which is this bright red color, and then I picked up Copper. After mixing the two colors together, it made it slightly like an orange tint to it. It ended up coming out really pretty. It reminds me of using it for like floor nails, like a brick color. I like this one a lot. The next two that I'm mixing is called Amazonian Night, which is a fine glitter, and then Spearmint, which is more of a chunkier one. When I mixed these two together, this one ended up being my favorite out of all of the mixes. Now this is where I got a little bold. I ended up picking up this paint called Sugar Lights, turquoise, and then I added a chunky color called Sugar Cube. This came out totally different than what I was expecting. I was not expecting it to be this dark. Maybe I added a little too much turquoise and the pink, but it ended up coming out like this bluish, purpley mixture. I don't know. You tell me if you guys like this. So here I'm just taking out my P-Touch. I'm going to be labeling all of the jars with the glitter mixes names, and then I'm going to be labeling the swatch sticks as well. On top of labeling the jars, I wanted to add the color on top of it. So I ended up buying these white dots, and I'm going to put the color on the dot, and then I'm going to cure that, and then I'm gonna put a top coat and then cure it again. Thank you everyone for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed this glitter mix. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.